Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the 2024 Mercedes-Benz G-Class. The G-Class is one of the most iconic SUVs on the market, and it's been around for over 40 years. For 2024, the G-Class is getting a refresh, and there are a few new things to get excited about. Exterior. On the outside, the G-Class is still very much the same. It's still got that boxy, rugged look that we all love. However, there are a few new design elements, such as a slightly different headlight housing and a new grille design. There are also a few new color options available, including a new shade of red called Manufacture Monza Red. Interior. The interior of the G-Class is also getting a refresh for 2024. The most notable change is the new steering wheel, which is now similar to the steering wheel in the new E-Class. There's also a new infotainment system, which features the latest MBUX software. Powertrain. Under the hood, the G-Class is getting a new engine for 2024. The new engine is a 4.0-litre V8 with twin turbochargers. It produces 577 horsepower and 627 pounds-to-feet of torque. This is a significant increase in power over the previous model. Pricing and availability. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz G-Class is expected to go on sale in the spring of 2024. Pricing has not yet been announced, but it is expected to start around $130,000. Conclusion. So, what do you think of the 2024 Mercedes-Benz G-Class? Are you excited about the new engine and the other changes that have been made? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for